What's happening, guys? Welcome to the video of Ride with Raj and welcome to the Madhouse. Today's vlog is all about the Garage Cafe. So I've heard there's a new Garage Cafe in Bandra and I'm pretty excited because Delhi has it, but I hope it's like that. I always wanted to have my own cafe with the entire motorcycle style and I hope this is like that. So she's booking the cab and now we're heading to Bandra. This cafe is in Bandra and that's my sister. My sister lives in China and she'll be greeting in Chinese. Ni hao. Saw that? That's the Cantonese style. Cantonese or Mandarin?
Mandarin.
Mandarin. She speaks Mandarin, guys. Yeah. My niece speaks Mandarin. Can you imagine? Can you say something?
Ni hao, ni jintian hao ma.
Heard that?
Snapchat that too.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
So now we're heading now. So we're looking for our cab. Yeah. The cab's here. The cab's here. Alright, so the cab's here and my sister, my niece, Akansha, say hi. Akansha is busy. Hi. And Richa. And why is this girl carrying a bag? Is because she has auditions. And that's why we partied till 6 in the morning and then she's gonna go to she lives in Bandra. And now we are heading to Bandra. And the place is called Garage Cafe. The place is called Junkyard Cafe. Junkyard, junkies like me.
It's Junkyard.
It's Junkyard Cafe. Yeah. She's such a model. Okay, get in, guys. That's our Ola. Ola rocks. Okay, so we are going to the Garage Cafe.
Junkyard!
So I keep forgetting it and they keep, reminding me that it's Junkyard Cafe. So we are heading to Junkyard Cafe until
the fastest route despite usual traffic.
That's,
you should reach your destination by 5:14 p.m.
When you're vlogging, these interruptions happen a lot. I am sure every vlogger who's watching this will know that. Okay, so the guy is very helpful. He just muted his phone, which was actually interrupting my conversation. Yeah, so the 500 does get a EFI. That's the news even I got. The Himalayan also gets the EFI along with ABS. I have also heard that news. Well, all that is happening for export a lot. A lot of people are expecting that to happen in India. So meanwhile, just see these few pictures which I got online. They are just actually from abroad and they are pretty viral on internet, so you can check that out. And the Himalayan really gets a lot of improvements. I have even heard the EFI is differently planned. It's supposed to give more power or torque, something like that. So I'm really looking forward because Himalayan is a bike I really wanted to purchase and I had actually gone to buy it. But when I got to know some news about it, I did not purchase it. And anyways, if it comes with good stuff, I might pick that up. So you never know what's happening, but stay tuned for that. So this school I'm passing by and see such nice graffiti with a lot of awareness. So we've reached Juhu now and Juhu does not have much of traffic. So that's pretty cool and I have my earphones attached so I can be audible. And so Mishka, how do you find Juhu area?
我很喜欢住湖那里，很好，我们去 Junkyard 客发。
Yeah, that was awesome. So yeah, she's speaking in Chinese. Yeah, the driver saying she's speaking American, but that's Chinese. So anyways, that was really cool. This girl can really speak well. And I think, can you translate what you said?
I said that I really like this place, Juhu, and I'm in it, and we are going to Junkyard Cafe.
See, that's pretty cool. So any Chinese interpreters watching this, let me know. She's ready. So guys, this place is near Hill Road in Bandra. It's next to it's next to Saint Cyril Road. In fact, it's on Saint Cyril Road. That's what the GPS shows. So we're going there and we heard a lot about it. We won't be drinking, but we all are starving. Are we starving, guys?
100%.
Super hungry. These musketeers behind are also super hungry. So let's hog the hell out and let's check this place out.
Oh, hell no!
So that's the Junkyard Cafe and that's Mama Goto and that's the best cafe I've ever seen with a nice patio there. It's so cool. Bandra rocks. As soon as you enter, you see this big junkyard robot and that has a Mahindra grill on it. It has a Mahindra grill and it has a Hero Honda tank. That's a Hero Honda Splendor tank. That's so cool, man. And they have the hunk fairings, the tires, and the rear view mirror. It's pretty cool. At her best with all chips and parts and everything. So this is so cool, and the whole industrial look. These guys have an outside section with all these things, and they have a big screen, and the munchies, the junkyard people are here. The junkyard people are here chilling. This is our spot. So as you guys saw, this place is really cool, and the way they have decorated it, I wish there were some bikes here as well. So it's not exactly a bike-based junkyard cafe. It's obviously all junk. The best thing about this place is, what I've heard is everything is recyclable. All right, they have got actually everything from a junkyard. You know, they've not purchased a lot of new things. So there are a lot of junk pieces, all the waste material, and they've recycled and made into a cafe, which I feel is really good. And now let's eat the food and check it out how it is. Alright guys, check this. They have a birthday shot and they're saying make sure you're wearing your helmet, served only at the bar. So people who are celebrating their birthdays, make sure these shots are deadly. And sugar candy skull, I'm gonna get a tattoo of that soon on my arm. So I'm pretty surprised to see that. And this is their drink menu. Yes, they have the bike photos, and these guys have lot of variety on their drinks, their food. I mean, let me show you guys a menu card for the food. Let me show you guys. Yes, I think that's a Cadillac front bonnet, and they have dim sums. They have they have sushi, and I love sushi. Let's have sushi. You have sashimi as well? Oh, superb. Okay, so guys, my favorite food entire world is Japanese, and they serve sushi. And obviously I've been to Tokyo and I've been to Japan, and I've been following their food culture since more than 5 years. So I love Japanese cuisine. Is my #1 cuisine in the world, and they have everything here. They have the California maki, they have the dragon roll. I think we'll order one of this. So you also get pizzas here. So I think Mishka is going for pizza. They have burgers, sandwiches, pasta, and they have desserts. It's crazy. They have a sushi platter also, which we might go for. You can check this out. These are the scooters. You can actually sit, and this is the table setup. It's so cool, man. And I think these are real scooters, guys. Check it out. This is so cool. And that's a Bajaj. That's a Bajaj scooter. My father had this scooter, by the way. So it's so cool, man. Alright, so the iced tea is here. Let's try it out.
So you all just swap the chairs now.
Pretty good. And does have a peach flavor, and it's fresh. Yeah. Well, my sister called for the hummus plate, and everyone knows the Lebanese cuisine is awesome. It does come with the yummy hummus with olive oil in between. It's got the pita bread, it's got olives, and some great radish and carrot which is pickled. So let's see if they like it or not. Okay, she's speaking in Chinese and saying, I think that means it's good, right?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay, so let's see my sister's reaction. It's nice.
Really good.
My sister's a big time foodie just like me, so she can judge food really well.
Is that very good?
Alright, so now we have a Margherita Pizza. That's a classic Margherita and Mishka really likes that.
我喜欢这个的新中饼，还有很多面包和胡汤葵，谢谢。
That means it's good, right? So Richa has ordered keema pao and she's about to have that.
Delhi food.
Oh wow, so she said the keema pao tastes like Delhi food. That's pretty cool and I think I'm gonna try it now. We've called for the dragon roll sushi, which does have a tempura, which also has a salmon, and obviously the Japanese rice, which I have at home also, which I eat quite often. So this looks really tempting and I'm gonna about to eat it. Yeah, so I'm just about to grab one of the sushis and try it out. So the main thing about sushi is you take a little bit of a soya sauce, alright, and take little wasabi and do that. I learned this in Tokyo. One of a very known Japanese guy taught me this trick, and you actually mix that and then you take your sushi roll. So now I'm gonna take any one of the rolls. Let's pick this one and just stab it a little bit, not much. And always have the sushi completely, don't have it half, okay? I'm in heaven right now, I can't express. This is good. Sorry about that noise. This is really good. It's a little dry than the authentic sushi. Obviously when I was in Tokyo, the sushi there is a million times better, but this is also not bad. Alright, and you guys think that we eat a lot. Yes, look at this burger. That's a tenderloin burger and it is well done. And I hope they have the right meat in it and with a little bit of french fries. So pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm going for the kill. I'm going for the burger. And this is how it looks. Let's hope it's juicy and nice. These guys really know what burgers are. It's really good. When I said well done, it is well done. So all the meat lovers who are looking for such burgers, this is the place. Junkyard really rocks at their burgers.
你好，我很喜欢这个地方。
You can talk in English.
I really like this place and I especially like the pizza and the fries plus the hummus and bread.
Thank you.
I super love the place, especially the portion size for. I think it's really a good deal, and the place really rocks.
I think I really like the keema pao because it gives me the Delhi feel. When I used to be in Delhi, I used to love keema pao
So everyone's become a fan of the keema pao. So keema pao, I think, is a recommendation, highly recommended when you come here. And if you want to call someone, you don't have to worry. Why? They have an old school payphone. No, that doesn't work, that's for sure. So they have a top section also because this can accommodate a lot of people. So now I'm heading to the top section and let's check that place out. There's a badass glider. Sorry about the bad lighting, but it's there and it's hanging in the air. Right, so my father had a Fiat and check this out, guys. They actually have a cutout of a real car, which is so unique and awesome. This is cool, right? This is really cool. And I think one must come here. The food is awesome, the drinks are great, the music is crazy, and it's got everything what you need. Especially for all moto fans, they can be here. You guys have two levels, as I mentioned, you know, the first floor and the ground floor, and both have DJs, you know, so they have different kind of DJs. The music on top is different, the music on the ground floor is different, They have special Friday nights when the DJs play all club music, mix, and then they have Saturday nights also. So really cool place, and really enjoyed this place. So how can we not have a nice flat white coffee when you have Mech Cafe in front of? And Mishka wants to have pancakes. We did not have any dessert, so Mishka wants to have pancakes, and I want to have my flat white coffee because Mech Cafe is the only place. You see the excitement, guys? So yeah, so Mech Cafe is the only cafe which gives flat white coffee, and I love flat white coffee. So I'm gonna have my coffee, and she's gonna have her pancakes, and this is a good day. Mishka's having mango smoothie.
Hello.
You guys see that? She's a masti khor. So Mishka is having mango smoothie. My sister's having English breakfast tea, and I am having flat white coffee. These guys decided to sit outside because it's good weather. Mumbai is good weather. We're at the terrace area, so we're chilling here now. And I hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for the next video. And as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj.